One missed shipment doesn't just delay delivery, it triggers a domino effect. Production halts. Costs rise. Customers walk. Here's how to stop it before it starts. As a manufacturing CIO, you need every supplier and shipment to stay on schedule. But hidden risks often hide in outdated forecasts that don't reflect today's demand. Disconnected supplier systems that hide early warning signs. Data delays that surface problems only after the damage is done. Each gap increases the chance of a late shipment and a quarter's profit gone. Picture this: a critical part is delayed by 12 hours. Your plant stops. Customer orders stack up. Suddenly, you're in crisis mode, explaining to leadership why you didn't see it coming. Stressful, expensive, and completely avoidable. Real-time supply chain visibility changes the game. By integrating ERP, supplier portals, and predictive analytics, you can spot disruptions before they hit. Alerts show up instantly, allowing you to reroute shipments or adjust production on the fly. At Adend Analytics, we create Power BI dashboards that merge supplier data, live shipment tracking, and predictive forecasts into one trusted view. Our clients cut shipment delays by up to 30% and prevent costly last-minute surprises. Don't wait for the next domino to fall. Schedule a strategy session today and take control of your supply chain. To know more, connect with us. Click the link in the description.